In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit euros on your Kraken account in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, after this process, you will have euros directly on your Kraken wallet, and after this, you can just buy any crypto or invest however you want, or you can just have the money on your wallet to wait until an opportunity comes. So if you want to deposit, you can just go to transfer right here at the top right of the screen, then go to deposit, and now you should see cash or crypto. I'm gonna ignore this one. So this is obviously to deposit crypto and this is to deposit cash. So you can actually select any of those currencies, but for this video we are gonna use euros. So click on euros and then you will have different payment methods. So you can deposit directly from your PayPal account. You also have right here at the bottom. So if you want to use PayPal, it will have this fee. It will be almost instant and you can deposit up to 7,000 euros weekly. So just click right here and it will open a window where you will need to log into your PayPal account. Then you can also do a manual bank transfer. So if you click right here, it will give you different options to do the bank transfer. For example, this one will be almost instant, or you can also do an international bank transfer that will also take a little bit more time and take more fee. So just choose the one that fits the most for your needs. And this is another option, easy bank transfer, that will take from 0 to 3 business days. It will take no fee and the limit is ridiculous, so you can just deposit as much as you want. So just click right here and select the company that fits better for you. So just search for the bank that you want, click right there, select the amount of how many euros you want to deposit. For example, let's say I want to deposit 100 euros, review, and right here you will find more details, so you can review all the details right here and confirm. And now to confirm this deposit, and now it should open the window to log into your bank account, or depending on which bank you are using, it might have a different procedure, but that's basically how you can deposit euros on Kraken. Depending on your bank company, there might be different steps, but that's the process. Then after you have your euros, you can just convert them right here, click on convert and convert them to Bitcoin or any crypto you want to buy, or you can just trade on Kraken Pro with euros. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.